All right, what's going on, Typhoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at taking a look at Trader Joe. Okay, um, we're on TraderJoeXYZ.com. Okay, and on Trader Joe, basically you can trade, you can do liquidity pools, you can do yield farming, you can stake, lend, and their native token for Trader Joe is going to be Joe. Okay, the Joe token. All right, now this is basically the one-stop shop decentralized trading on Avalanche. Okay, now each one of these different networks have kind of like their main basically their main decks. Okay, so if you think of Binance, for instance, you think of pancakeswap, right? So Trader Joe has the potential to be the main DEX, decentralized exchange on Avalanche. Now Avalanche Rush is dropping soon, and I think it actually just launched, so I'll be dropping a video on Avalanche Rush. But today's video, we're just basically going to briefly cover this. Okay, now the reason you need Trader Joe and really that it's important is because of the earning. Okay, you can really earn rewards and get a much better value for your tokens. Especially if you're looking to do some long-term positions, right, not entering in any exiting anything in the same day, but if you're looking to maybe hold for a year, for 5 years, or for a couple months or something like that, this is where you're going to get a great return on the tokens that you own. Okay, so to start off, you need to connect your wallet, and it's very simple if you have MetaMask. Okay, MetaMask is kind of like the go-to that you need, and is going to be basically your access pass to to unlock all of the greatest DeFi possibilities, right? So you'll go here, you'll go to connect a wallet, right? And we'll connect our MetaMask wallet. And then we're going to need to connect to the appropriate network. Okay, so it's going to switch us to the Avalanche chain. Okay, and then basically it'll pull up your MetaMask, and now it's saying allow this site to switch to the network. We're going to switch to the Avalanche mainnet C chain, switch network. Okay, boom. Now we're on there. We're connected. And what you're going to need to do is add Joe to your wallet. Okay, so you click here, and then this will add Joe, the token Joe, to your wallet. And now Joe is supported on the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so what we can do is we can come here to Zap, right? And then we'll select a token. Now, let's say I have a bunch of USDT, right? You have a bunch of USDT Tether, okay? And you're looking to enter a liquidity pool, right? Let's say you want to do an Avalanche and Joe liquidity pool, right? So what you would do is now you can come in here, and let's say we have 100 USDT dollars, right? Then what you would come is you would do here, and it would change it to the Joe wrapped Avax liquidity pool token automatically for you. Okay, so instead of having to do 3 separate transactions and basically transfer your USDT into first Joe and then into Avax, and then put Joe and Avax into the liquidity pool and then get the liquidity pool token for that, Trader Joe makes it super simple. One click convert tokens to LP tokens, and there will be a little bit of slippage, but when it comes to how fast and quick and easy it makes this is one of the main features that I really like about Trader Joe. Let's go into staking, okay? Because so if you stake Joe, you will receive X Joe, okay? And it says here, no impermanent loss, according to them. Okay, so for every swap on Joe, a 0.05% fee is collected to X Joe and used to buy back Joe tokens. Currently, buybacks are occurring every 24 hours. Your X Joe is continuously compounding. When you unstake, you will receive all the original deposited Joe and any additional from fees. Okay, so currently they are offering 64% APR for staking, right? And so X Joe, the staked value is always basically going to be higher than the value of Joe, because they're using that to purchase Joe, basically. All right. And with the fees and everything. All right. So, you can stake Joe and then get your X Joe token. All right. And then from there, you can go into you can enter liquidity pools, right? So we have, you know, the Avax USDT liquidity pool right here. So if you have Avalanche, you have US dollar tether, you can go ahead and, you know, put those tokens in here. You put half of your Avax in, half of your USDT, and they are offering 29% APY, really close to, you know, to 30. So, you know, if you have some Avalanche and you know, you're bullish on it and you want to make a long-term investment and possibly get a, and, you know, earn some rewards on top of that, you can enter a liquidity pool and, you know, put in your Avax and USDT. Okay. Now from the liquidity pool, then you can go and farm, right? And you can farm it. This is the farmer's market right here. The total value locked TVL is 600, is close to 650 million. So basically you stake in double reward farms to earn Joe plus bonus reward tokens. Okay. So you can come in here. They have Avax Heck, that's a Hector DAO. There's X Joe, Avax GMX. Okay. You know, all of these right here. So let's go ahead and let's just take a look at, let me see one I like here. Sorry, hold on. But yeah, so basically you can come in here and you know, if you wanted to do one of these, right? Let's say the Joe PTP one, right? Come in here and then basically, you know, get your LP token, stake it, you know, so you need to have PTP wrapped Avax. That's the liquidity pool token, right? And then you can enter your liquidity pool token in here, right? And then it would, instead of saying insufficient balance, you know, it'd say stake. All right. And then you come in here and you harvest your rewards, and you can take those rewards and, you know, basically restake them again, enter them into a liquidity pool, whatever you want to do, and just keep compounding and compounding. Okay. So you'll get the rewards, the 39.5% APR, and then you can harvest those rewards and you can do whatever you want with them. Right. Now, one thing that's really, really awesome about Trader Joe is they just launched Tractor Joe. Okay. And this is basically a meme coin. All right. This is the first Trader Joe community token to buy back and burn Joe. All right. So there's a 1% burn mechanic, a 3% fee reflection. Their primary goal is to permanently remove some Joe from circulation, raising its value. Okay, so the first 1% of every transaction and swap is deposited into a community wallet, which is then used to buy back Joe and send it to a burn wallet. In the future, portions of the community wallet funds can be distributed to tractor holders if voted on. Every single tractor holder will also earn a 3% passive yield reflection from every buy and sell. Simply hold tractor and automatically earn from the fees. Okay. They go over the token distribution here. 15% was airdrop to all XJoe stakers. So, you know, we just went over staking. So if you know, if you were staking your Joe and you were, you know, receiving XJoe, right? You know, those are the people that they are airdropping this tractor token to. Okay. 15% went to the development team, and then 70% is divided into liquidity. Okay. And you know, this is really nice. Okay. So this is basically some fun, a fun way for them to make Trader Joe better, right? With Tractor Joe. So, you know, it's a meme token. This may become a little more popular and more popularly traded, right? You're going to be rewarded just for holding Tractor. And, you know, in the future, you know, if you guys vote on it, then you can go ahead and, you know, vote to have portions of the community wallets funds distributed to the Tractor token holders. Okay. So, you know, this is mainly just to help out Trader Joe even more. All right. You can look at coingecko.com and get all the stats for Joe. Currently it's at 91 cents a token, right? Up 10%. A lot of crypto has not been doing as well. Okay. Trader Joe has been performing a lot, you know, relatively well compared to, you know, the crypto market. And, you know, this is where a lot of people are putting their money in, you know, crypto winters and crypto bear markets, right? They're entering some liquidity pools. They're entering, you know, some staking contracts and things like that. They're coming in here while crypto is low, and, you know, to get rewards. Okay. So, you know, hopefully this video really helped you guys out a lot, brought some exposure to Trader Joe. Definitely follow their Twitter, follow Tractor Joe. You know, those are going to be really two ones to be very interesting, and basically keep an eye on this year in 2022. They have a lot of upside potential. Now, of course, this is risky, you know, but this is, you know, basically going to be the main thing, right? So Trader Joe is a decentralized exchange where you can come in and swap using the Avalanche network, which is much cheaper, is regarding gas fees and things like that, than the Ethereum network. Okay, so you can come in here if you have Avax, which is the Avalanche token. Let's say you have Aave, Boo, the spirit, the spooky swap token, you know, a lot of nice stuff in here. But you can basically come in here, swap your tokens for, you know, another token you want, right? So let's say we want to get some Joe, right? We'll come here, and then now I can swap my Avax for Joe, enter the amount, and boom, now I will have Joe, and I can come in here to the liquidity pools, right? And enter one of the liquidity pools. You know, they have the Joe liquidity pools right here. They have Joe Avax. You can come in here and put half of the, let's say you want to put $1,000 in, right? Well, you put half of that for 500, so 500 of Joe, and then 500 of Avax into this liquidity pool. All right. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'm out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what kind of dexes you guys are watching, which ones you want me to cover, things like that.